Hello students, welcome to Eduxcite classes. In today's session we will continue with our previous video, that is we will discuss about the personal engagement in today's session. Those students who have directly come to this video, I request you all to please go back and watch my first video of your Physics IA introduction. Okay, so let us continue with the personal engagement. So this is your very first criteria. If you go to the Physics IB guide, you will get 5 criterias. Okay, so this is your very first criteria, that is your personal engagement. And believe me guys, this personal engagement is being checked throughout your investigation, throughout your IA. So it is not like that you will put a personal engagement heading under one column, you will write all your engagement. No, how you make this investigation, this IA as your own, this will give you the marks for this particular criteria. Okay, so what we as an examiner are looking for, or you can say in other terms, what are the evidences which denotes that this is the personal engagement done by the student. Okay, so first is the choice of topic, as we discussed in the last video. So you should be very curious about choosing your topic. You should give a proper evidence how you come up with a particular topic for your IA. Personal significance, how that particular topic connects with you, what is the a background story of that, or what interests you the most by choosing this particular topic for your IA. This comes under the choice of topic. So we look for this as an evidence for personal engagement. Second, your personal input. Once you have decided your topic that okay fine, I am going to continue my IA on this particular topic. Now how you design that particular, like after framing a research question, how you are going to design, how you are going to collect the data, how you are implementing that. Like once you have designed that I will be going through this procedure, now once you are actually performing that, a pilot run or a trial, how you are implementing those things, that gives a personal input to it. And how you present your data, how you make your collection of your data as your own, and how you mold those data to give your answer for the research question. Now comes the exploration, how creative you are. Like it is not like a trial and tested method that you have followed throughout your IA and you will get full out of full marks. How you make some creative work into it. And independent thinking. It is not like that you are referring a textbook and you are following the same procedure. How you are independent in your thinking. There might be some cases where you will find that some problem might occur while conducting the experiment. So you should mention that thing and how you resolve that. If you are taking guidance from your teachers, don't hesitate to mention that. You should be very honest with your IA and be original. That is all we are looking for. Okay, you are not giving a thesis or a submission for your doctorate level. It is just a simple investigation in order to develop your investigation and experimentation skills. Okay, so this is the tip. You should always include a statement of purpose. It is important to show that you make the investigation your own investigation. Okay, what are the do's? Like be an independent thinker, as I mentioned, by taking self initiative and applying creativity. You should be very creative in your work. Give justification for choosing the research question, we discussed already. The topic under investigation must demonstrate personal significance, interest and curiosity. You should be very curious. You should be have your personal interest. It is not like that someone has given you a task and you are completing that task. You have chosen that topic, you have shown your interest, so that should be reflected in your writing down your IA. There must be evidence of personal input and initiative throughout the exploration. As I mentioned, in the exploration, how the creative work you are adding on. Like you may say that I have recorded it in my mobile and I have slowed down the slow motion and then I follow the trajectory and something like that, depending upon your type of investigation. Okay. Be focused on your research question. You should not deviate from your main research question. Your all IA should be linked with what are you finding, what are you researching on. So it should be focused on your research question. Be enthusiastic and passionate about the topic. It should show while writing down your investigation. If it involves around a simulation, now this is very important for those students who are looking for a simulation. Now if you are looking for a simulation, you should show some initiative in choosing the right simulation. Okay, for a particular investigation, there might be more than 2 or 3 simulation on the same thing are available on the net. Okay, so how you are choosing a particular simulation for your research question, you should specify that particular clearly. A lot of thought must be implemented into the project, like initial thought and throughout the when you are performing your experiment, what in-depth thinking you are giving. You facing any problem, mention that, resolve that, help or the guidance of teacher, that clearly mention it. Don't worry about it. It's good to see a mathematical model associated with hands-on experiment, not necessarily though. It depends like what type of investigation, what type of research question you are working on. If you have a mathematical model to support that, you can use that also. Okay, there must be more than one or many references to personal interest. Like you should give some references that how you come up with this topic. You should have some evidence justification for your choosing of your topic. So this is all come under your personal engagement. If you are checklisting these points, it means that yeah, your personal engagement criteria has been fulfilled by you. So it is given from your criteria description is given in your IB guide, you can refer that. So this is of 2 mark only. Overall it will be calculated by reading out the complete IA. The examiner will look if these are fulfilled, then this criteria will be getting 2 out of 2. Okay, fine. So in the next video we will discuss about the next criteria, that is the exploration, in which we will discuss in more detail how you can go further with your exploration part. I hope you like this video. The PDF of this video will get in the description below, and the following videos link I have created a separate playlist so that you can go through all my videos in a particular sequence manner. Okay, if you want a personal guidance, you can refer or contact me in the given details below. Thank you.